Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator at The Urban Darling on socials, and theurbandarling.com is my blog. My background is in interior design, but I have been doing my blog content creation going on 6+ years full-time, and I think about 9 years overall. So I'm gonna start off today's vlog with a few clips that I filmed over the day on Schyler's birthday, which was 2 days ago now. We started off the day going on a hike and going to a winery with Schyler's dad, Alan, which I did not film, but I did film afterwards when we went to a coffee shop and boutiques and stuff. So got some clips there. So I'll be inserting those next, and then we will cut back to a PR haul. Full day of celebrating Schyler's birthday, and I'm so glad that I was able to film a little bit at those boutiques because they were super cute. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing some of the local boutiques here in our hometown of Tri-Cities, Washington. So next up, I'm going to be sharing a PR haul with you guys of some skincare as well as some clothing. So let's go ahead and start off with the skincare. Okay, so I just opened up the first package, which is from Tower 28 Beauty. I am so excited to try these out. I picked out a few different items. Their Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray, which I was reading on their website, seems to be pretty amazing as far as like a quick skin recovery. So I'm very excited to try this out. This is basically it even says on the package, SOS Save Our Skin, and it's accepted into the National Eczema Association. So it's very good for redness, dryness, that kind of thing. So very excited about that. We also have their Tower 28 SPF 30 tinted sunscreen. This is actually probably the product that I'm the most excited to try out because I'm planning on wearing this all summer, just like a minimal tinted sunscreen with so SPF and just a little bit of coverage. So I'm very excited for that. That's my plan to basically wear all summer long. I don't love wearing foundation during the summer just because it feels like really heavy and oily. So I'm hoping that this is going to be like the perfect tinted sunscreen. So there are a bunch more goodies in here. Their Tower 28 multi-liner in this nude color. This is very similar to one that I'm just about to run out of. I love these nudes because they're very close to my natural lip color, and I just am very partial to that nude color, so I'm very excited about that. We also have their Juice Balm lip balm, and this is in the color Mix. So it looks like it'll be a fun color for summer. And then I also have their Tower 28 mascara. Also very excited to try this out. It looks like this gives you amazing results And I was definitely needing a new mascara. I haven't been loving the one that I've been using. And then we also have their Bronzino in the color Sun Coast. So this really pretty kind of warm peachy color. Their Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm for cheeks and eyes, I believe. And this is in the color Power Hour. Another really pretty, fun color for summer. And then we also have their Super Dew Shimmer Free Highlight Balm. I do love wearing highlight. I'm actually not wearing it today, which is kind of funny because I normally wear it every time I do my makeup, but I'm very excited about this as well. It says on the back it's a shimmer free highlight balm. So very excited to try those out. I also just wanted to say that they have the cutest packaging in these kind of bold, fun colors. Super, super cute brand. Love their aesthetic. I'll insert a clip that shows you guys what the Tower 28 products look like unpackaged out of their box. I just didn't want to do that because it was going to take too long, but I'll insert a clip now so you guys can see what those products look like. So next up is a package from Apothecary skincare brand Kiehl's. I absolutely love their skincare. I have been using quite a few of their products in my routine recently that I've shared in some recent PR hauls. So I peeked inside already and saw this really cute kind of like aluminum foil type looking bag. So this is a, like, you can use it as a makeup bag, skincare bag, whatever. I always love when I get these. They're so great for storage, for travel, all that kind of thing. So we have 4 skincare goodies in here. So I'll just take them out one by one for you guys. First up is their Superfluid Daily UV Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50, which is just in time for summer. I definitely need as many skincare products as I can get during the summertime. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and paraben-free, which is awesome. And this looks like it's a really good size as well. Looks like that. Next up is their Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. I know retinol is amazing for anti-aging, fine lines, wrinkles, all of that kind of thing. So this is definitely going to be a holy grail serum for me. They also sent their Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I actually have the eye cream that is from this line. It actually looks just like this. This has hyaluronic acid in it, which is great for moisturizing. So I'm very excited to try this concentrate. Here's what that retinol serum looks like. So it contains a daily strength concentration of pure retinol, peptide, and ceramides. And then lastly is their Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. So this is really great for acne scars. If you get spots from like the sun, that kind of thing, that's what you would use this for. So it's just a clear bottle. You can kind of see the logo. So it says here that it's clinically demonstrated to help correct dark spots and discolorations for visible correction and clarity with a potent complex of activated C, white birch, and peony. Very fancy. Next up are a few skincare products from vegan skincare brand Juice Beauty. Okay, so first up we have their Green Apple Brightening Emulsion Lightweight Moisturizer. So this is what that looks like. And it says that they are cruelty-free and vegan, which I mentioned. This is supposed to improve the appearance of skin texture and also promotes a more translucent and even-toned complexion. Brightening emulsion, lightweight moisturizer. I'm very excited to try this out. Next up is their Green Apple Age Defying Moisturizer. So That last product was a Green Apple Brightening Emulsion Lightweight Moisturizer. This one is, I think, a little bit more of a thicker type lotion. So here is what this looks like. So 2 different moisturizers. You can use both of them morning and night. I think this one's probably a little bit of a thicker moisturizer, I would imagine. And then lastly, they sent me their Stem Cellular Super Grape Youth Renew Serum. So here's what that looks like. So this actually contains the rare Sargentino Super Grape grown on Juice Beauty's organic Sonoma farm, which has one of the highest grape antioxidant levels to help fight free radical attacks on your skin. So that actually sounds really amazing, and I'm very excited to try this out. I love using serums for my moisturizers morning and night. So next up, I have a few packages from Maternity clothing brands, and I just wanted to basically be honest with you guys, let you guys know that I recently went through a miscarriage. So when I had reached out to these brands, that was when I was still pregnant and expecting to be able to wear the clothing soon. But unfortunately, I had a miscarriage actually a few months ago now, and I was definitely debating whether or not to even share this. It has been a struggle for both Schyler and I. It has been very depressing for me personally because I have wanted to be a mom since I was a very young girl, and it wasn't until this year that we both felt that we were in the right place to be able to start a family. So having that happen right away has been very, very depressing for me. And we're trying to be optimistic. We are trying to be positive and hope that we are able to get pregnant very soon, but unfortunately it hasn't happened the past couple of months. I think just because it was very hard on my body. My hormones have been totally off. And I know that most people don't even share that they're like trying to conceive or trying to get pregnant until they're past the first trimester. But I just wanted to be honest with you guys in case anyone else has been through or is currently going through the same situation. I was really debating whether or not to even share this at all or to share the maternity clothing, but I felt that that wasn't, I just didn't want to keep these brands waiting forever because I don't know how long it's going to be before I am able to get pregnant again. So I figured that I would show you guys the clothing right now anyway, and I'll obviously still be able to wear them once I am pregnant again. So like I said, we are trying to stay as positive as possible, but any of your prayers or good vibes that you can send our way would be very, very much appreciated. So first up, I have a few clothing items from Bumpsuit. So I picked out this unitard in this really pretty, kind of like a warm chocolate brown cocoa type color. It's super, super soft. So it's a tank top style unitard with full leggings down to your ankles. And I thought that that would be very cute for lounging around in, but you can also easily dress that up. Just something comfortable to wear during pregnancy. And then they also sent this dress, which is not the same brown. It's a slightly different brown. This is more of like a Hershey's chocolate type color, but it's a tank top dress. And as you can see, there's a little bit of extra room everywhere so that it's comfortable for maternity wear. And this goes past your knees, so probably hits like somewhere in the middle between your ankles and your knees, depending on your height. I have really short legs, so it's going to look a little bit different on me than it would on other people, but I also thought that would be very cute, very comfortable, and great for summertime. And then lastly, we have a few pieces from sustainable maternity wear brand Storq. Very excited to see what they sent. Okay, so we have a very cute set here. There are a few different pieces to show you guys. So these are the pants. I picked everything out in a size 1, I believe. So very pretty sage green color, bit of a wide leg, kind of a cropped pant that also comes with this very cute tank top with little buttons on the chest area. So top and bottom, and then a matching robe as well. How cute is that? So that you could wear over the pants and the top. And then we also have a sash here so you can tie the robe around everything. Love the color, and I thought this would be perfect for lounging around the house in. So definitely a piece that I would get a ton of wear out of, and something very just like chic, something that feels put together to wear around the house, especially because I do spend a lot of time working from home. So I know that I'm going to absolutely love this set. Okay, so I have 3 more pieces from Storq to share with you guys. This is their unitard in a chocolate brown color. Sorry, the lighting's kind of weird as I'm trying to show this to you guys, but this has full leggings to your ankle, tank top with a little bit of a scoop neck, and I, in case you guys can't tell, love the color brown, pretty much any shade of brown. So I thought that this would be very cute for a unitard to lounge around in, wear out, dress it up, dress it down, that kind of thing. So definitely a piece that will get a ton of wear. I also picked out this tank top dress, which is a little bit more of a long length dress. So this would hit kind of like mid calf, I would say. And it's in this really stretchy, comfortable material. So I know that this is going to be a great dress for summer, transitioning into fall. Hopefully I'll be able to wear it this summer and fall. Fingers crossed. And then lastly, I picked out a pair of classic black leggings. This pair has a little extra room, as you can see here at the top, for a growing belly. So I feel like these are great pieces that I'll definitely be able to wear a ton, get a lot of use out of, be able to mix and match with, and I absolutely love that the brand is a sustainable brand. I also wanted to mention that both Juice Beauty and Tower 28 Beauty are clean, sustainable skincare brands that are actually pregnancy safe. So I am very excited to be able to use their products while I am pregnant. Of course, I'll use them before as well, but it gives me peace of mind to know that they are classified as pregnancy safe. And actually, Kiehl's skincare has a ton of pregnancy safe products as well. Not their entire line of products, but a good majority of them actually are, which is awesome for me. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed getting to see a little bit of Schyler's birthday celebrations, the skincare haul, the maternity haul, and hopefully you appreciated me being a little bit vulnerable, a little bit honest, which I don't do enough of on here. And like I said, debated whether or not I would even share, but ultimately decided that I just wanted to be honest with you guys and share what was actually going on in my life right now. But thank you so much for your support. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys aren't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to follow along with me on all socials at The Urban Darling, and check out my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more lifestyle content as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye!